they're the third generation na from Ulingan. So Ulingan is in Tondo, Barangay 105. Ang main livelihood nila yung charcoal, paggagawa ng charcoal. So most are charcoal packers. Mga kids as young as 3 years old, they collect nails from the burnt wood, pinapakilo and all that. So, and then the government relocated them 2 years ago here in Bulacan. The government just provided them with housing, walang livelihood project, so wala silang source of income. So we decided to follow these children because we have over 300 scholars now. So if we don't follow them and support them, all of them will drop sa school. And ayaw naman namin mangyari mag-drop sila sa school. So we already have 8 college students na originally taga-Ulingan sila. And they didn't even think na makapag-high school sila. They thought they'll be stuck as charcoal workers for the rest of their life. Mas realistic na sa kanila na pwede na sila maging teacher, maging doktor, police, di ba? Anong gusto mo paglaki? Police. Bong, anong gusto mo paglaki? Jollibee! Ang biggest challenge namin yung funding. So, the volunteers are our biggest asset. Kasi sila yung movers and shakers. So I believe Project Pearls will not survive without the volunteers.
Nag-volunteer po ako sa daycare po ng Project Pearls. Para po yung naitutulong po nila sa amin, maibalik ko rin po sa kanila. Kasi yung tatlong anak ko is scholar ng Project Pearls.
This is my first year with this community, but I've been helping different communities since I was 6. It makes me happy knowing that these kids are happy, and to know that there are kids that don't have the same things as I have. I just felt like this would be a great way to spend my birthday by not only making me happy, but making them happy as well.